Bantip yala ka jong ka kot ka kia ka seng ribhoi Tourism and Environment Development Forum ha ka jingalam jong ba pilat diuso bodeyu shongknor kane kanhon da ka jingatrilang bar ka Sun Vally Hospital na ka jala Assam kla penlong ya ka jingsumar ya ki paidbah ha Nongpoh ya kane ka jingsumar la penlong ha khat sauter ramphang 8,000 kon riu ha ba palat spangut ki briu kla yo ya ka jingmantoi na ka jingpang ba per ka ba kidon nadu kirang ba kilongkmi bat khna Dr. Sharma ha jingkren jong ulaong ba kajingwan yesimanta jong paidbah aklai mensim yaki khamtam ya ka hospital kebetulan kajing anut ban train nak tai paidbah halor kene ka kot ka kya jong ki bat uang ru bodon kajing kermen banang ne sikmat kenang la ban lej segwei pat ki banta jong ribhoi district kane galong ka jingiarap ka ribhoi Tourism Environment Development Forum along babun lagi Nongpoh sumar kidon ye kijingpang baper nagalyang jong kiru kila ai ki dawai dasin bakindi bat iba khamjur kijingpang ki ai da kijingtho shaki bakinwan mi shaka hospital kabadan haga jala Assam.
Myself Dr. Tapan Sharma. I am a medicine specialist. I am coming from Sun Vally Hospital today to have a medical awareness camp in this area. This camp, we have finished this camp here, but number of patients is more. We are more satisfied with these performances with their local parties. I think in future also we will again continue this type of trip. Okay, thank you. They are actually needy people. They should have these medical checkup facilities. They need intensely. After checkup, we have given some medication and some patient has been asked to attend in our hospital for further checkup.